This is my kitty cat going after a bird. He cannot stand birds. No, not back in the air conditioning. Go get the bird. Are you serious? Okay, another example of what a dumb cat oh, you stupid cat. All you cat owners, you know that understand this stuff. He's such an idiot. See, get him bird. Get him bird, you cat. You must be camera shy. Hey, you stupid bird. Where the hell did he go now? There he is. Bird, are you stupid? Oh, you dumb bird. You're over there. Where's Kitty at? Oh, Kitty back to going inside, and so does dog. Hold on, let me get back down. Alright, kitty cat. There goes dog. And here comes Curtis.